Welcome to Skylark Apartment Homes. Today we are touring our 946 square foot, 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home, the Cottonwood. Our spacious living and dining room area offers a great place to entertain family and friends. Our homes offer modern white cabinets, gray Formica countertops, and each home is fully equipped with an electric stove, refrigerator, dishwasher, microwave, and garbage disposal. The kitchen offers lots of cabinet space and wood vinyl planking. All of our homes are equipped with a washer and dryer that is convenient for those busy schedules. Located to our left is our second or guest bathroom that offers a tub and shower to help you relax after a long day. Across the hall is our spacious second bedroom that offers lots of closet and storage space for everyday use. To our right is our spacious master bedroom. Our master bedroom offers side-by-side closets with an attached master bathroom.